What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. Today is on a Tuesday and I'm currently at Okeju Hotel. I want to go to work. This is where I normally park my car. Sometimes I leave it here for safety purposes, and yeah, let's go to work. Actually, I'm kind of late for work, so I need first to get rid of the music. Yeah, so like I was saying, sometimes I park my car on this hotel for security purposes, and as you can see, it's currently 8:06. That means I'm late for work, so I need to hurry up. But before I go to work, I need to pass by the gas station and check the fuel prices. Just need to confirm what the fuel price is, because currently our fuel prices in Kenya have been going up. Either go through there, or just take the easy way out. Yeah, so guys, I'm Victor Gatobu. Welcome back to this channel. I thank you for always being here. And I post content around road trips and cars. So if you are interested in such kind of content, you can join this community or join this. You can just join us. You're welcome. And today I'm late for work, so I need to hurry up. So there's no vehicle, so let's go. As usual, I forgot to wear my seat belt. So there is a video I did on about this drive to work. If you're interested, you can check it out. So I want to enter the next gas station so I can just check the prices. So that's the gas station. I want to go and check the prices. So let's go. Just park here. So guys, this is Lake Oil petrol station. It's one of the cheapest petrol stations in Kenya. And currently, as you can see, The fuel price is about 210.64 shillings for petrol, and for diesel it's 199.99. So yeah, that's Kenya for you guys. Let's go to work. What do I think about the price of fuel in Kenya? The price is quite high, but as long as people are making enough money to buy the fuel, then the price could be okay. But also the price could be higher. So as long as it's there, we cannot complain. Yeah, so guys, I'll be heading to work, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Subscribe, leave a like. Goodbye.